We're here to show you a technical tip for external fixation configuration in open tibia fractures. So you're probably familiar with the coronal delta configuration in tibia fractures or pilon fractures, but this is a sagittal delta frame. So the triangle is formed on the lateral side or on the medial side. Why we do this? This is going to allow for easy access to your wound, whether it's medial or lateral, because you can configure this delta frame either lateral or medial. So how you do it? You position 2 pins on the tibia, near and far, in the anterior to posterior direction, and then you position 2 pins in the foot. One goes in the calcaneus, the other one goes in the talar neck. The talar neck is a safe position for external fixation pins. This can be done whether lateral or medial, and another advantage is you can use the same diameter pins as the ones you're using in the tibia in the talar neck, so you can use up to 5 and 6 diameter pins. Also, it's a true near-far configuration in the foot, so we have near-far in the tibia and we have near-far in the foot as well, because you have 1 pin distal in the calcaneus and 1 pin more proximal in the talar neck. It's important whenever you are bridging the joint to always use 2 pins in the foot. The solitary calcaneal pin will allow movement around the ankle joint, and this, if it stays longer in the patient, can provoke equinus contractures. So always position at least 1 pin in the foot. You can have pins in the talus, you can have pins in the first metatarsal, and also in other locations if these ones are not available. But it is advisable to always use a 2nd pin in the foot.